Hi, my name is David Albright, Product Manager for Chief's DirectView LED mounting category. I'm here today to share with you Chief's design tool for tiled video walls. Start by going to legrandav.com and under the Tools heading, select the Design tool. From there, you need to sign in to your legrandav.com account. Once you've done so and selected your account, you will be taken into the project space within our design tool. From here, you can reference existing designs. Once you've created them, we're going to start a new design for this presentation. This is a shared design tool with our rack design tool. We're going to select the tiled dvLED video wall design and start a design. Give it a name, video demo, and we'll save that into test. And you can give it a description. I'll call it that. You can change the name once you've created it for reference. You might put, your customer name or other project description there. So with this, we're going to start out by going to the room setup tab. And please ignore this for the time being. Under room setup, you can have this image over here to the right automatically fit to your video wall configuration. Or if you'd like to see what that space looks like within the confines of your actual room, you can give those dimensions. So maybe you've got a 25-foot wide wall with a 12-foot high ceiling. You can input those dimensions. You want it 3 feet off the floor. That is what that will look like in that space. You can add an image if you'd like. So you can pick one of the ones we provide or upload a custom background. So you might take an image of the actual space this video wall is going into if you want to see what that looks like within the tool. Over here to the right, you can hide the panels to show just the mount solution. You can also hide or show the person, hide or show the dimensions and the grid. From there, we'll jump over to the LED wall setup tab. Here you pick the manufacturer of the display solution. For reference today, this design tool only includes our I and H style mounts and not tiled universal mounts. I and H style are manufacturer specific, so you'll need to pick the manufacturer and series of those from these drop downs. We'll pick the Absen Acclaim Pro Plus series for purposes demo. From there, you can automatically configure a 69 aspect ratio, and this will select accordingly. Turning that off. We will do a 5x5 array for purposes of the demo, and you will see note that the bill of materials and pricing is updating live as you make changes. So if you want to make this an 8x5, you'll see that BOM and pricing is updating accordingly. You can add installation services from Legrand AV. We can quote a variety of service options from just the mount install supervision by an engineer on site to full installation of the mount, full installation of the mount and displays, and full commissioning of the complete system, including power and signal connections. For reference, when quoting installation services, we do need additional information about the site location, to quote travel costs, other construction details for the environment to give you an accurate quote. So be prepared with that information if interested in those additional services. And then lastly, you can select custom shapes. So we can do a variety of custom, really high impact video wall designs with our tiled mounts. And this will specify all the mounts you need for these different scenarios. So keep that in mind as well. I'm going to go back to the 5x5 array. I'm going to go back to room setup and adjust this to 3 feet off the floor like we had before, and the 12-foot ceiling. So now that we're done with that, you can add content to the display if you'd like. We have both some animated video content or images that you can add. This is really helpful for customer sales presentations to show them what the space will look like. If you do have any existing content, or maybe you want to use your or their branding, you can also do that. And then once all of that is complete, over here you can, in addition to the image of the space and the wall and the mount, you can look at the full specification data for the install. This provides all the weights and dims of the installation, including the displays that you've selected. Next, you can go to the Accessories tab and select a variety of accessories from Chief Storage Solutions, Mid-Atlantic Power, C2G connectivity, and Luxol network switches, and add those to your bill of materials. So by selecting Add to BOM, that will add that to the next tab. So if you were to pick this proximity in-wall storage, you can add that. If you choose later that you don't need it, you can delete that from your list. So now that we have that complete, we can go to View Project Summary, and you'll see the option to finalize a quote. So especially if you've got a large scale project or desiring installation services, all of that can be quoted here by clicking that button. You also have access to download a variety of file types, including a PDF of your bill of materials and drawing files, PDF, DWG, and Revit files as options. So keep all of that in mind, that those are available to download there. And yeah, that is kind of the current state of how the design tool is used. I then want to jump over and share with you a future state of this configurator that's coming soon. We are working to add tiled universal mounts into the configurator, and I just want to quickly share what that may look like. It isn't significantly different, but again, let's just call this test and to jump into this. So the previous tool did not have this universal toggle. For reference, once tiled universal is available in the configurator, this universal toggle will be added for any displays that are compatible with tiled universal mounts. This will be default set to universal, and but you still can select the I and H style mounts if you prefer those by turning off that universal toggle. And then otherwise, the configurator really works pretty much the same as what I just showed you. So for reference, you'll see universal, and we will be adding a variety of additional manufacturers and product series to this with that tiled universal launch, since it is compatible with a much broader range of 27-inch diagonal direct view LED cabinets and more larger sizes of cabinets on the way as well that will be added into the configurator as additional compatibility once we get those into the tool. So exciting things coming from this tool. Do note tiled universal is shipping today, and our inside sales and technical support teams can help with specification of that if needed in lieu of the configurator tool. I hope this demo was helpful to better understand the capabilities of our tiled configurator and upcoming features to be launched soon. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is David Albright, Product Manager for Chiefs Direct View LED products. You can reach me at david.albright, ALBRIGHT, @legrand.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.